What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will replace the windshield washer pump on a 2006 to 2013 Chevy Impala, and it's located right here behind the front bumper. Now let's get started. Very quickly, if you activate the washer fluid and nothing happens, check the fuse. It's this 15 amp fuse right here. This fuse is fine, so let's move on to the pump. The pump is located behind the bumper here, but we can access it by moving the fender liner in here. The whole job can be completed by turning the wheels to create enough access here. But I'm filming a quality video, so I'm going to remove the wheel so I have enough room for my camera. And now I have full clear access to film all of the details for you. First, we need to remove 5 fender liner clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 screw to release the fender liner. The clips are 2-stage. First, pop the center up. You can manage it with a screwdriver, but I spent the $10 on the toolkit, and it changed my life. Highly recommended, even if you only use it every now and then. And with the center popped up, now you can remove the whole clip. Pushing the center in expands the backside, securing it in the fender. And if the top part pulls all the way out, it's okay, just push it back in. Remove the remaining 4 fender clips. And use a 7mm socket to remove the screw. Now the front of the fender liner is free. Fold it out of the way. And here is the windshield washer pump. And notice that the reservoir is full all the way up to here. I just dumped a new gallon in it, assuming it was empty. Now disconnect the electrical connector by lifting up the tab and pulling the connector up and out of the pump. Next, disconnect the tubing from the outlet of the pump. But first, I'm going to put a bucket under it, because all of the fluid in the reservoir is going to drain out. This took a significant amount of time to drain, probably about 10 minutes. Initially, the fluid shot out and cleared the bumper. At this fluid level, it still cleared it, but not by much. And this is where it started to hit the skirt. You can use a piece of tubing or something to route it to the bucket. Or just let it go, and it will run down and out through this hole. Now it's time to remove the pump. Pull it away from the reservoir. There is a recess that it clips into. Then pull it up and out. Or if you don't want to wait, you can just pull the pump and release the floodgates. If your new pump does not come with a new rubber grommet, make sure to reuse the grommet. It will leak without it. This is not required, but while I was here, I tested the connector to make sure it's getting power. I had an assistant activate the washer fluid, and there was 12 volts at the connector, so it works. So here is the pump that I removed. And here is my replacement pump. I grabbed it for convenience while at the auto salvage yard. My pump was manufactured in 2009, and the replacement is older, manufactured in 2007. I recommend buying a new one. This is a bad idea. I'll probably be replacing it again soon. Now just reverse the steps. Push the pump down through the grommet. Then snap the top back into the reservoir. Reconnect the tubing to the output, and reinsert the electrical connector. Another option is to plug the pump outlet and the tank outlet with your finger as you remove it. Then slip in the new pump without losing much fluid. Clean up the washer fluid. Untuck the fender liner and bring it back into position. Reinstall the screw with the 7mm socket. And reinstall the fender clips by pushing the base all the way through, then pushing the top in to secure it. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you did remove the wheel, reinstall it, torquing the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Then refill the fluid and you are all set. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.